So I'm Connor Griffin. I'm in 9th grade in high school.
I'm Sherrod Griffin, Senior Director of Engineering for OpenShift AI.
I'm here because my dad works here, and I did a little thing a while back, so we're gonna watch that, see how much I've changed.
And see if your answers change.
Yeah.
I'm guessing he does AI work
Wow.
and tries to create AI.
Oh, wow.
Like make computers think by themselves and like do things by themselves.
I know that he works on software to help people with their problems on computers and other electronics.
That's cool. Yeah, he's doing a lot of very cool work on that and a lot of like very futuristic stuff.
Okay.
You're not impressed?
You have like medical things, just the ability to like pinpoint where someone is and know exactly how long it would take for people to get there to help. It could make a difference.
You're so young.
I'm like a kind of military, tactical, Greek, Roman, Egyptian kind of guy.
Yep, that's all still accurate.
My
Yeah.
kids are 12 and 14 essentially, close. She's 13, but she feels like she's 16. Their ability to absorb technology changes without fear of basically breaking things by just playing with every possible button and feature as a way to learn. And some of the challenges that they are entering into the world, that's whether it's geopolitical or environmental, these are going to be real challenges that they're going to need technology to help them solve. So I think they're in this interesting position where they'll, the creative thinking, that fearlessness, different relationship to data, and a set of real major global scale challenges that require technology, puts them in an interesting position. I guess I'm more optimistic. Now my kids tell me technology is boring, but that's because they haven't really done enough programming yet.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that's great. I was young. Voice sounded a lot different, shorter. Yeah,
You didn't have a mustache.
I did not. Humans aren't too far off from being taken out of the equation and creating an AI. I think that we're not too far from AI making more AI. And that means that AI can get more and more developed faster and faster.
Interesting. So an inflection point where AI has the intelligence to create more AI.
Yeah.
You just saw the Matrix.
Yeah. I think it'll become more and more human-like. I think it'll become less of like a robotic structure and more fluid, more like a person.
And that's only about 5 years from now, right? I'm 20 if you haven't noticed. I'm excited. I think by the time you're my age, the ripe old age of 20, I really think AI is going to be ingrained in everything. And I see an exciting part where AI is able to learn without us telling it what to learn. And I think that goes to what you were saying where, AI can create AI. I think the first pass of that is it being able to self-learn, right? Self-learn and then enhance itself based on that learning.
Yeah, what do you actually do at Red Hat? I know you do like AI, but I don't know anything beyond that, really.
I talk to a lot of people in a lot of meetings. We focus on providing infrastructure to customers, to businesses, allowing them to scale and run their AI workloads so that they can participate in the innovation and help achieve the world you just said, right? AI, creating AI, well, that has to happen if you have the right infrastructure to do that. And that's what we focus on.
Because I guess you can't have a flying car. You can't get flying cars to everybody if each engine costs like $10 million. You have to make it, people have to be able to afford it.
I'm still just, I just want to take a nap in my car while it drives itself. I'm not yet at flying cars. I think that would be great. It would be interesting to see if you have a beard next time.